Hi, boys and girls and parents and families. We're on the letter C today. C is for cake breath. Breathe in as you imagine a birthday cake. Breathe out as you imagine blowing out all the candles. So let's try it together, and we're going to take 5 breaths together, doing cake breaths for the letter C. Ready? Really make that picture in your mind. Now this time, I want you to try to fill your belly with all the air that you can when you're breathing in. Two more. Breathe in through your nose. Blow out all the candles. Awesome. I'll see you next time for the letter D.